Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Simon and we are the Whales of Wall Street. Guys, this is incredible today. So Cardano is pretty much in major price discovery mode. We have absolutely smashed the all-time high, I think 2 or 3 times in the last week or so. But before we go into the chart, I have a feeling that some of this price growth has come from this particular, not necessarily announcement, but actually a follow-on from something that I watched a few months ago when Hoskinson, one of the key founders, of course, of Cardano, mentioned about a stable coin backed by Cardano. Now here, this is pushing out more news as if it's coming. And we've, of course, got the big, massive news recently of the smart contracts launching, hopefully sometime next month. So all of this price discovery at the moment is obviously built towards the momentum of this occasion. Do be aware, of course, when the news drops, of course you tend to get some kind of FOMO activity, and then you'll probably have a big correction as people take profits from this news. Buy the rumor, sell the news, as they say. So just keep an eye on that next month as we build up to that. But right now, it's fully realizing what's the potential of the price point this year with Cardano. There's a lot of talk around $5, $7, and I'm absolutely 100% behind those kind of predictions that I've seen on various YouTube channels. But first of all, I want to see how quick we can get to the $3 mark, and we're so close. Which we'll go into in a second. But this one here, Djed. So Djed is what is created as a stablecoin algorithm that Cardano will basically back. So this includes investing in different types such as goodness me, it's early. Algorithmically backed, I think we got it, asset backed and CBDCs. So guys, this is absolutely humongous. Obviously, kind of like a rumor or an anticipation from Hoskinson a few months ago talking about this, but it looks like this kind of news is creeping back into conversations. It's very convenient considering the timing of the smart contract announcement as well. So let's see how this goes. And I do generally believe that this has a big aspect to the price movement quite recently, as well as the general, of course, market growth that we're seeing across the board and the bullishness of indeed Cardano. But let's go into this chart very quickly, guys. I don't want to bore you to death with charts. For me, the next price discovery opportunity is at $3.32. Sorry, my screen is frozen on this chart, so I can't move it about, but I've managed to get all I needed to get in here. If we go back in history, which obviously can't see on this chart particularly, we have tested this line around the $1.90 mark, around the sort of 22 to 25 mark as well. So there is a possibility that we might come back down to this level in a correction before moving back up again. But in this price discovery mode here, we did have what we perceive here as a test resistance originally, and then just slightly under, I think, a close on these 2 points here. But yesterday, smashed through it. Today, no stopping us now. This news, I think, as I mentioned, is possibly contributing towards this, as well as the momentum towards the smart contract. And as we said, general market adaptation as well. So on the fib retracement, as I've mentioned, we are looking at a potential $3.32 as a target marker. I do anticipate a slight tail off eventually at some point. But saying that, the RSI is actually showing not too badly, around 81, 82 at the moment of recording. And so that does mean there's a very small amount left to grow into still. The MACD is showing extreme positivity. Yes, it narrowed down slightly here, but the gap is continuously increasing with a massive strong buy message in the background. Performance-wise, weekly, monthly, 3 monthly, 6 monthly, year to date is all massively green. Guys, if you invested in this last year, you're at least 1,400% up on your investment, which is absolutely phenomenal. Even on the month when it was nearer the dollar mark, or 150-ish, that is a 118% growth pattern. There are not many assets and stocks out there that can deliver that kind of return in such a short space of time. Guys, it's absolutely phenomenal. I would love to see ADA smash through the $3, test that 332, and there's no doubt in my mind we'll have some corrections, of course. But this is fantastic momentum as we enter towards the end of this year into Q4. It is fantastic. Let us know below what you think of Cardano, what you think of this news and the Djed stablecoin opportunity, and what are your price predictions for 2021 or even 2022 if we do extend into that period of time. We love to hear your comments. We reply to them all. Like this video if you found it informative. Subscribe if you have not done so already. And guys, I'm going to leave it right there on a positive. See you in the next one. Bye bye.